Hello students, I again welcome you all in my EVS class. In the last video, we have completed the explanation part. Now, the time for exercise and question answer. Today, we do exercise and question answer. First, chapter 6, every drop count. First, match the following. Two tables are here, table A and table B. First, water storage in olden days. Answer is lakes and step wells. Second, rainwater harvesting. Answer is water conservation. Rainwater goes to drains, pipes, pits and soil. Step well are called bowlies. Packed drinking water is used for traveling. Second, fill up the blanks with suitable words. Here are some clues. According to these clues, you fill this. First clues are leaf, earth, electric motor, bill and bore well. First, we have to pay the answer is bill to Jal Board of Municipal Corporation for the supplies water used by us. Second, everyone has the right to live. Live is the answer and getting enough water. Third, water on the earth is for one and all. Earth is the answer. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore wells. It is answer. Fifth, water is being pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motor. वाटर किससे पंप किया जाता है? इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर के थ्रू. Now answer these questions. First question is, what is Ghat Seasar? Answer, Ghat Seasar is a group of 9 lakes built by King Ghatsi of Jaisalmer about 650 years ago. Second, who was Al-Biruni? How are his writing helpful to us? अल-बिरूनी कौन था और उसकी राइटिंग जो उसने लिखा है वो हमारे लिए कैसे हेल्पफुल है? अल-बिरूनी वॉज अ ट्रेवलर फ्रॉम उज्बेकिस्तान. कहाँ का ट्रेवलर था? उज्बेकिस्तान से. मोर देन 1000 years ago. His writing are helpful to us in knowing about the water conservation techniques in ancient India. Third, write 2 ways of water storage in olden days. Olden days में पानी को कैसे स्टोर किया जाता था? 2 ways of water storage in olden days are making lakes, step wells. Next is, what is step wells? Step wells is a multi-storied well in which water is reached by descending a set of steps. Next question, how did your grandmother used to get water for the house? Answer, my grandmother used to get water from a nearby well for the house. Next question, from where do you get water for the house? We get water from the municipal water supply tap in our house. Next question. What kind of travel arrangements were made for travelers in olden days? Answer. In olden days, travelers used to carry masak. Masak is a leather bag, and piaus were also built. Next question. Nowadays, what do people do about water when they travel? Answer. Nowadays, people carry water bottles or buy packed drinking water when they travel. Next question. Some people put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. What problems would other people face due to this? Answer. Some people put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Other people do not get enough water due to this. क्या होता है देखो, अगर हम डायरेक्ट पाइपलाइन में मोटर लगा देंगे, जो पानी की मोटर्स होती हैं, तो वो सारा पानी एक ही घर में वो मोटर खींच देगी, तो अदर पीपल को क्या होगी, उससे प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. दिस इज़ द लास्ट लिस्ट डिफरेंट वेज इन विच पीपल मैनेज देयर वाटर नीड्स. कैसे कैसे लोग अपनी वाटर नीड्स को मैनेज करते हैं. पीपल मैनेज देयर वाटर नीड्स इन फॉलोइंग डिफरेंट वेज. फर्स्ट, water supply from Jal Board in house all day long. Second, from Jal Board water tanks. Third, from wells. देखो फर्स्ट क्या है, हमारे घर में जो पाइपलाइंस है उसके थ्रू पानी आता है. अगर उससे नहीं आता है तो जो जल बोर्ड है वो क्या, उसके क्या आते हैं, टैंक आते हैं, वाटर टैंक आते हैं, उससे सप्लाई होती है. थर्ड, फ्रॉम वेल्स, कुओं द्वारा. फोर्थ, कलेक्टिंग द सप्लाइड वाटर इन टैंक्स. जो सप्लाइड वाटर है उनको किस में कलेक्ट करके, टैंक्स में. फिफ्थ, फ्रॉम हैंड पम्प्स, हैंड पंप के थ्रू. सिक्स, मोटरिंग अप फ्रॉम बोरवेल, बोरवेल से मोटरिंग करके, मतलब पानी को पंप करके. सेवन, वाटर फ्रॉम नियर बाई कैनाल्स, जो आपके नज़दीक में कैनाल्स होती हैं उनसे जो वाटर आता है. Here we finish our 6th chapter. You do this exercise in your classwork notebook and send it to me. Now you can send from Chalkbox app. Here one icon from assignment. Here you submit your notebooks. उसकी फ़ोटो खींच के आप वहाँ पे सबमिट कर सकते हैं. Then I will check this work. If it is not possible, you can send my WhatsApp number. I will check. You all please do this exercise and question answer in your notebook. So we will soon meet. Soon we will meet in the next video. In the next chapter, chapter 7. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.